here I am, standing in my bathroom. Anyways, hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to do a video about the spring outfits that I can't wait to wear as soon as it gets warm enough. Some of you all are probably wondering, like, can this girl even create outfits since all she does is recreate outfits from Pinterest? And in fact, I can. Hopefully I can do it still as good. No, but I just feel like sometimes I love just getting inspiration and it's fun to create outfits, but I don't always wear outfits that I get inspiration from. Sometimes I wear outfits that I actually create. 90% of the time I actually do. So I wanted to show you 4 spring outfits that I can't wait to recreate. Some of these pieces are newer pieces that I've picked up and some I've had in my collection for minutes. But my whole thing this spring is color. I'm ready for all things color and I'm excited. So let's dive in to look number 1, shall we? So I don't have any fun pictures to put on the screen, but I have been loving these little baby tees. I call them baby tees. They're not called baby tees. They're called skimming tees, which I don't know why, but nonetheless, little basic graphics with this little cowboy look. And if you watched my Abercrombie shop with me, I tried these pants on. They're actually men's. I tried them on, but I didn't end up getting them, but I ordered them online because I did fall in love with them. So let's put these things together and I'll show you how they look and we'll accessorize. This hair is a little wonky. First day I blow it out, it's always a little crazy. Anyway, it never knows how it wants to like sit. Okay, so here we go. This is the base. I love this little shirt. I ended up getting this in a medium because I didn't want it to be too, I hate how long these tacks are, hold on. I didn't want it to be too short, so I got it in a medium. And I actually ordered a couple more from Abercrombie because I love them so much. This specific shirt isn't available anymore, but they have super cute like fruit ones. But I love this, okay? And then these are the jeans. I got a 28, what did I get? 28-30. They're still roomy for sure, but they fit so cute. I love these. I love how they're slightly cropped. I think they're a fun little pinstripe. Now, when I bought these, Abercrombie didn't have a girl's version of these. Now they have a girl's version of them, but it doesn't matter. I still love how like casual these are and just like cute with the little carpenter hook thing. I love the big square pockets. I love everything about these pants. So I'm gonna kind of tuck it in, I think. Well, no, actually, I think I'm gonna leave it untucked. I'm always so bad at removing these little like felt things, so we're just gonna kind of continue that bad habit. Oh, hold the phone. I want something. Denim shirt for some layeringness. And then I think I'm gonna pair it with a sneaker. I don't always plan these outfits out. Sometimes I just kind of wing it. I love this. So cute. Okay, let's figure out which shoes. Should I go with a pop of green, red? Should I go neutral? This would also look really cute with my clogs. Cute. Let's do green sneaks for some fun. I told you I'm all about color this year, okay? So let's throw on my little Adidas Spezials, I don't know, Spezials, I think. Oh, I'm so itchy. I didn't put lotion on after I got out of the shower because I want to do my little like laser hair removal thing tonight, and I don't think you're supposed to put lotion on beforehand, but anyway, I'm so itchy. So anywho, I think this outfit, I sound like such a weirdo. I think this is super cute. Let's see what it would look like with a hat. That might be a lot. Yeah, I don't think I need that. Let's just throw in some sunnies. The dirtiest sunnies that I never clean. I love this. I think it's so fun. I love these striped pants. I mean, I'm gonna wear these all spring long, but I think it's a fun way to kind of just like add some texture into an already pretty basic outfit, because I could wear this with jeans too, like basic plain jeans, and it would be the same, but I love the green pop and I'm here for it. What do you guys think? My first little spring outfit. I think it's super cute and fun. hat I do. I don't know, it's like so weird I don't have someone to compare to. This is just me. But I love look number 1. And I think you're gonna see throughout this video that I have a ton of different like looks that I like. I don't just like put myself into one box or one category. I like a little bit of everything. So yeah, this is look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2. You guys know I've been super obsessed with linen, and I bought 3 new pairs of linen pants from H&M. Their linen pants are so good. I've yet to wear these black ones, but I have a striped pair and a white pair. So we're gonna do this black. We're gonna do a white and black outfit with pops of red. So let's change into these little black pants. I'm so bad at taking tags off before I wear things. And this little like graphic Paris top from H&M as well. We're all H&M'd out today. So let's go ahead and pop that on and we'll accessorize with some red fun pops. So I listened to this radio station called 99.5 The Wolf, I think. Why can I not think of the name right now? Anyway, I listened to it, the morning show, and they do this like, or not even the morning show, like after I go to the gym, they do this like contest where it's like you pick out of like 3 artists and they like play a clip of the song and you have to finish the song. And whenever there's like Shania Twain, I'm thinking about it because this is Shania Twain, Let's Go Girls, no one gets the songs right. And I realize how hard it is to understand her words, or girls in general. It's kind of crazy in terms of like their music for country singers. But anyway, it just reminded me of that. But I feel like whenever I'm in it, I'm like, why don't I ever call and do it? Have you ever won a radio contest? I never have. My mom's, or one of my friends growing up's dad won a radio contest and gave me and my mom the tickets. It was Blink-182, my first concert. Blink-182, Taking Back Sunday, and The Used was my first concert. And then Fall Out Boy, and then Warped Tour. I was a little emo back then. Still am. I think I never really gravitated towards black linen pants because I feel like it kind of is contradictory. Like black to me is like not super springy and summery, but they're so light and flowy. I love linen. I'm obsessed with linen. Okay, now let's change into another graphic because we know I love graphics. So I was originally gonna pair this with just taking curtain bangs. I actually think I might cut myself curtain bangs. And by curtain bangs, I mean like long ones. Anyhow, I was going to wear this white pants, but then I was like, I feel like it'll be very noticeable that this isn't really a white shirt and it's more of a cream shirt, but whatever. So I decided to go with black anyway, and I think it's gonna be cuter. More cuter, whatever. I was like looking back to figure out when the last time I had a haircut was, and it was like right in the beginning of September, end of August, and I got my hair like up here, and we're growing, because I'm like, I'm just making sure my hair is growing, and it really is, and I am thrilled. I'm ready for a longer time. Not like long, but like a longer, you know? Okay, so I have this little viral freaking Old Navy cardigan that everybody and their mama wore, but I don't think it's available anymore. But we're gonna use this as a layering like color pop piece because I love how it'll match. So I'm gonna throw it over my shoulders. So cute. I already love this. This would be a really cute like I don't know, anytime. I'm always like, this would be cute. No duh, that's why I put it together. Okay. Either I'm thinking, yeah, I think I'm gonna pull in my red gazelles. We're gonna pop these on. And we're gonna do a black sunglass. Ooh, I also have a hat that might work. We'll see. I might be getting a little bit carried away with this red. My colors when I was decorating my first apartment in college were dark gray, white, and red. I like lived at IKEA. Everything was IKEA. Here we go. I feel like the red shoes are like noticeable, but not super noticeable since my pants are so long. And I'm gonna go black bag, not red bag, even though I have like kind of a maroony red bag. Let's see if I like this hat. Why did I make, what, have I not worn this or tightened this? What in the hipple? No to the hat. Hats aren't my friend today. Ooh, you know what would be really cute? No. I love how I just am like, yes, no. Maybe so. Okay. Ah, yes. Love it. And I honestly would pair just like a black, either a black tote would probably be more up my alley, but I don't own one. So I'd probably just throw in this black bag. I love this. I love the simplicity of like the pops of red, but overall the black and white outfit. I love it. I think it turned out super duper cute. All right, this was outfit number 2. Outfit number 3 is going to be some overalls. So buckle up. This one's going to be a little funky, but we're going to make it. So look number 3 is going to be, his hair, is going to be interesting. You're either going to hate these or love these, and I feel both emotions. So no, I really like them. They're just kind of funky, but I think they're really quite cute. So let me show you how I'm gonna style them. I actually bought them. They're the Free People, I don't know what the heck name they are, denim overalls. I'm an overall kind of girl, especially in the spring and summer, because it's such an easy thing to throw on and just like go, even though you look kind of like a slouchy potato. Ooh, I don't care. So I got them when I was in Texas and I love them, but I've only worn them one time. Styled them, it was like cold when we were in Texas for Christmas, so I styled them with a sweater and I hated honestly how that looked. So let's see if the vision comes now with this together. Okay. So I'm going to change into a little white tank, just very simple, keeping it simple, high neck with my little overalls. And we'll see how it goes. Went ahead and like cinched with a bra clip my little Skims bralette behind my back so that you can't see all the bra stringy majiggies. Why do I feel like the comments are gonna be like, those are the fuggliest things I've ever seen in my life? And I kind of agree, but kind of don't all at the same time. I think they're so cool. Okay, so this is how I envisioned wearing them. I don't know exactly, like I said, the name of these, but they're kind of cute. They kind of give like barrel. You see what I mean? You got these giant pockets. They look like you're kind of wearing them backwards, but you're not. Is that weird? I don't care. I literally love these, especially with this little tank. Like, just imagine running around. Kind of look like a toddler. But I have one, so it counts, right? Okay, and then how I envisioned wearing them are with my little embroidered Converse, like really going full toddler action on you. So, ooh, let's pop down. I'm not normally like a big Free People type of girl. I don't know, I feel like their stuff is just really overpriced for like borderline ugly stuff. Not ugly stuff, but like, just like, you have to have that specific style for it to be like wearable regularly. Because like I think I spent $100 on these and I was kind of like, ooh, that's steep, because they're so unique that I'm kind of like, will I wear them enough? But I think I will. I'll be disappointed in myself. So let's see how these look, because I don't actually know. Okay, I don't know if I love these because they're kind of like not long enough, but I can make these longer. Not by a ton, but I've heard people say that they like come untied. I never had that issue. So, or not untied, but like what do you call these things? Slid? Okay, I like that better. I like where the thing hits. It kind of gives you a drop crotch, but again, I don't really care. I like it. I love these. I think they're fun. Are you kidding? So cute, so girly, so like, I don't know, kid-like. I kind of love it. Ah, this is so cute. Okay, I love it. And this is how I'd wear it. Basic casual sneakers. I imagine this just like running errands, just being such a good like toddler outfit. Like I can do everything in this. Run, jump, kick, hold. all the things, you know? I love it. It's definitely not everyone's cup of tea probably, but as you can tell, like from the beginning to now, and then even the next outfit's very like classic, my style ranges, and I think that's okay, to like have different styles and not just one and put yourself in one little bubble. I love this. I think this would be a cute like country concert or concert in the park sort of look. I don't know. I also thought this would be cute if you like tied it in a halter with like a low back situation. I don't know, but I love it. So this was look number 3. Let's move on to look number 4. All right, let's change into outfit number 4, our last outfit, which I feel like is the most like classic kind of outfit. So I got this dress from Everlane last summer, I want to say, maybe last spring, and it is so pretty. Such a basic silhouette that's just stunning. So they still have this on the site and I love it. So let's change into this and we're gonna have some fun. I just love the silhouette on this. It's very like boxy and simple, but it's such a classic fit. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it. And it has a small little slit on the side. I either wear it just like plain or sometimes I'll belt it. So my thought was to belt it with this little Cezanne belt that I recently got. I thought it would be cute with this. So let's see if that's actually the vision. Turns out I don't like it. I don't know. I like it with my Celine belt, but I don't like it with this belt. So we're just gonna improvise. Okay, so my thought process was I got this sweater. I think it's so cute. I got this from Target. It says Lucky on it. I'm going to wear it for St. Patrick's Day. Ma'am! Damn hangers. I'm gonna wear it for St. Patrick's Day. But what was I gonna say? But I also just like it because it's not like super like St. Patrick's Day. It says lucky. We can all be lucky all the dang time. So my thought process, and green is like my favorite color. So my thought process was throw this over the shoulder. Yes, throw back on my Adidas. I think the hat kind of like makes it less classic with like a little bit of a twist. So let's pop these on. I nicked my knee shaving today. If you're looking for the answer as to what age you grow out of cutting yourself with a razor after you've been doing it, 34 isn't the age. Keep trying. Keep waiting. I'll keep you posted. Oi. This is it. Some tortoise glasses, a nice baseball hat to just make it a bit more casual. My little tank dress, sweater, you can throw it on as well. Little green sneaks. I love this. I think it's really cute. Super cute. And I love this sweater. I think it's worth grabbing if you're doing something for St. Patrick's Day, which we are. And then onward because it just says lucky. And who doesn't want to be lucky? Am I right? I love this. Super cute. Another fun way you can tie a sweater is like this, which I do sometimes, especially with my like athletic dresses. I like this look too. And I guess you can see more of the wording. Eee, look number 4. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up my little 4 spring outfits that I can't wait to wear once it's above 20 degrees outside here in the Midwest. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, inspirational maybe, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Let me know what type of videos you want to continue to see from me, and I'll see you in my next one real soon. Bye!